Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do a quick love reading for Sagittarius. I have already done a video for July 2020, a love reading for Sagittarius. This is a bonus reading. So yes, let's see what's happening for Sagittarians in their love life. We will focus more on your person's feeling, how they are feeling, what they are wishing to do. Okay, let's see what's happening for Sagittarians, what the person is up to. Okay, Magician, Page of Pentacles. You might be dealing with an earth sign, a fire sign, another fire sign. Okay, King of Wands. Let's see what you are up to. What are your feelings like? Ace of Cups, a water sign. Again water sign, Nine of Cups. One more. Knight of Wands. Okay. So the person you're dealing with, definitely waiting on you, spying on you, keeping their eyes on you, what you're doing, what you're up to. Okay, they have their eyes on you. They want to take things further, but they're waiting on you. I think this time they want you to come back. They want you to initiate. Someone is waiting on you. I'm definitely seeing this, Sagittarians. They want to build this with you. They're busy in their lives, but still they are thinking about you. It might be possible this person is manifesting you. They are thinking very optimistically about you, but they want you to come back. They want you to initiate things now. They don't want to initiate anything now. Okay? They want you to come back. They want you to initiate things. They want you to take the first step. And on the other side, I'm seeing you might have already taken steps. You might already have messaged this person for a new beginning, for a new start. Or maybe you are waiting for this person to come and offer you this cup of love. Okay? Someone is waiting. Someone is having her eye on the other person. Okay? I'm also seeing with this Nine of Cups, you feel as if this person has wish come true for you. Okay, you feel quite happy, quite content emotionally when you have this person in your life. Okay, it is possible you both are waiting on to each other, Sagittarians. None of you are taking any step, or maybe you have started moving to this person. You want to, like, you really crave for this person, or maybe they are craving for you and taking small steps towards you. But someone is going to rush in, either you or your person. Definitely someone wants to rush into the other person's life. No more waiting. Okay? I'm definitely seeing there will be a new start. With this Magician and Ace of Cups, there will be new start. There will be this new beginning. Okay? You want it or not, it is coming. In July, things are going to get back to normal. Okay? It is quite possible you think as if this person is your life, your world, but this person, they are a little more practical than you. They think logical, or maybe they think as if you are too, you don't express your feelings enough. You are not quite open. You don't release your feelings. You don't tell what you feel. So it is quite hard to get to your heart, like to get to how you really feel. You understanding? Actually, I'm not well today, so a little low on energy. But I wanted to do this because many people are waiting were waiting for Leo, Sag and Aries reading. So I really have to do this. But I'm definitely seeing there is going to be a new start, expression of feelings. Okay, if this was you, you will start expressing more. If this was your person, they will start expressing more. Okay, no more silence, no more no communication, no more no contact. Let's see more. Let's pull out more cards. Let's see what your person is up to. I'm definitely seeing a lot of spying. You both might be spying onto each other. You both are waiting for each other. Tower in reverse. I'm definitely this person is definitely expecting and wanting things to get back to normal. I know things are quite difficult emotionally for both of you, okay, but they want to take this risk with you. They want to take steps forward with you, okay. Justice, I'm definitely seeing you know somehow things will get better in the end, and this person, they want to own you. They feel as if you are there, okay. So definitely a lot of feelings on both sides, and both of you want things to get better, okay. 10 of swords. So your person thinks as if you hurted them in the past. Maybe you did not prioritize them, maybe you did not value them, you left them in the cold, or maybe you think as if this person did this to you, okay. But still both of you want, even after getting so much of pain, undergoing so much of stress, you both want each other. You both are manifesting each other, okay. Someone is going to rush in your life. I'm definitely seeing this, Sagittarians. They can't hold back anymore, okay, which is very good. I'm really happy if this happens. Laziness. I think someone was not taking steps. Your person was not taking any step. They were just sitting there, making you more and more grumpy because they were not returning. You were not quite happy with the situation, not moving forward. So they are coming out of this no action zone. They will take action. They will take efforts for this relationship. With this possibilities card, for many of you it is going to be within 2 weeks that this person will come back, or maybe take an action or contact you, okay. You will receive a text or a call from this person, okay. Tuning in, I'm definitely seeing your person is thinking quite a lot about you. They are missing you. They want to take things further. They want to make things right, okay. They just want to make things right, okay. I definitely see reconciliation happening, people coming back in your life, okay. So this was it for you, Sagittarians. I hope you liked this reading. If you did, please hit the like button, and yes, see you in next video.